Okay, part two of what I've been thinking about this morning. This replication thing's driving me crazy. So here's what I thought. Drag and drop. Enzymes at the top. Multifunction tool is the DNA polymerase because it has the job of gluing things in as well as editing. So it's a multifunction tool. The helicase is the zipper, and the glue is the ligase, and then the bottle caps cap the end of the DNA strands, so those would be my telomerase. So here is my DNA molecule that I want to replicate. Note it, I would say to them, roofs up, roofs down, 5', 3', that sort of thing. Here is my, we need helicase, and we need the helicase. The job is to unzip to break those hydrogen bonds that exist between the nucleotide pairs. And so we took that original strand of DNA and we just cut it in half, basically. Now, and I would say to them, it doesn't really open it up like that completely, exposing all the bases. That would be dangerous. It only does it a few at a time, but on PowerPoint, this is what we've got. It replicates from 3' to 5', I think, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. And so we got to put a little cap down here. We got to put a little telomerase to make sure that all of the DNA does get replicated. And then I need my DNA polymerase. And so I have to go out and find the nucleotides that I need and bring them in. And then I'm, just bringing them in one at a time. My DNA polymerase just slides down the strand, bringing in the appropriate nucleotides to make my double-stranded DNA. Doubles checks things look good, glue, get some ligase on there, and then I have a new fully assembled DNA strand, half new, half old. Again, we have to cap the top or bottom. I don't even remember where I put it on the other side. So clearly I need to work on that. Here is my DNA polymerase again. I'm bringing in the appropriate nucleotides to build the second strand of RNA. Probably mentioning to them, notice the sugar phosphate bond. I don't know. I know that the ligase doesn't do the, whoops, that's not what I wanted to do there. I need to move this, get me in another one. I want to make sure, right? And so then that is good. I need to check everything. And then I use the ligase. I want to make sure that I'm really careful. I'm not re-gluing those hydrogen bonds. I'm re-gluing that sugar phosphate and backbone. And now I have 2 completed strands of DNA. I can introduce the idea. I can review anti-parallel again. My colors, I use the colors to show my semi-conservative. I have my enzymes, and I think that's about it. From here, we could go to all, you could go to all kinds of practicing.